Brandon Chin for Canon USA. We're here at CES 2019 with our brand new Vixia HF W11. So this is our first waterproof Vixia model. It's also shockproof as well as being able to go and be dustproof and freeze-proof. So this is a very, very interesting model because it is full HD, has 60 frames per second capability, and you'll see that because this is so small and compact, this is going to open up a lot of different windows, being that it is fully submergible. So you have heavy-duty gaskets, being that this can go and be submerged up to 16.4 feet. You have expandable SD card slot here, HDMI, AV input, and a micro USB as well for charging. However, the W11 that you see right here, this is going to come as a 32 gigabyte model with a built-in LED. And then we'll also have a W10 model, which will be an 8 gigabyte model. So this is our W10 that's submerged right now in our fish tank. The camera itself can be submerged up to 5 meters or 16.4 feet. But this is going to be a great model for anybody that's looking to go on travel, vacation, and obviously go underwater perhaps. So anybody that might be going and looking for a new Vixia product, this is going to be the waterproof model.
Kind of hard with all the people.